Something extraordinary happened in 2020. Pineal gland research funding increased by 340% globally. Universities that ignored the seat of the soul for decades suddenly got very interested. Follow the money. Harvard established a $30 million consciousness research center. Stanford created the Pineal Research Institute. Johns Hopkins launched endogenous psychedelic studies. The NIH allocated $23 million specifically for pineal research, a 1,200% increase. But here's what's really interesting. Defense contractors and intelligence agencies are funding much of this research. DARPA allocated $67 million for biological enhancement of cognitive performance. Military applications include consciousness-based information warfare. Pharmaceutical companies filed patents for consciousness modulators and selective pineal function inhibitors. They want to commercialize your awareness rather than help you optimize it naturally. The question is, are they trying to suppress or liberate human potential?